My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Peugeot 208. This vehicle has done just under 11,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control and automatic headlights. On the right, we have automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access radio, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our flow, statistics and charge. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Using our driving mode button, we can switch between eco mode, normal and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.